Hello and welcome to Concept. In this session, we will draw an axonometric view out of a floor plan. First, you will need to import a floor plan from your photos or files. Tap the top two handles in order to skew the image to get perspective view. While the floor plan is selected, drop its opacity to around 50%. I will start blocking out the 3D form using the soft pencil. Now start with vertical lines. Here I just draw the first line, then copy it in each corner to make sure they are parallel. Copy the floor plan to create the second floor. Then start drawing its outline. Have another copy of the floor plan to outline the roof. Now we can select and delete the duplicated floor plans. At this point, you can hide the image layer, so you are left with just the wireframe. Then you can use the hard mask tool to get rid of some of the construction lines that wouldn't be visible from this viewpoint. This is just to make things clearer and help you visualize the 3D form. Now the general form is clear for you and ready to start refining the design. Let's use pen with 100% smoothing to draw the final line work using the pencil wireframe as a guide. As we move forward, shapes are gradually figured out. It is become easier to perceive proportion and details. Now it's time to start adding colors to the roof using the fill tool, considering the light direction, which I decided to have its source to the right. The fill tool used with a low opacity gray makes a great tool for drop shadows. Having low opacity has added benefits of being able to fill certain area more than once, thus darkening the shadow in that area. I will import some people and plants from Concepts library, which will give sense of scale to the building and add life to the scene. Transparent PNG objects are extremely easy and fast to use in Concepts. And there we have it. This technique of drawing a full presented axonometry out of a floor plan is something I personally really enjoy.